Do not make music for yourselves, make it for your target audience. Oh, I can hear you true artists out there getting mad at me. But look, I don't call this selling out, I call it buying in. And who you guys fooling anyway, you true artists? You put your music on Spotify, you complain that you don't get a lot of streams, and you complain that Spotify is paying you fractions of a penny. Why should you care? You're true artists. You make music just for art without any care if you get any gratification from it or if anyone ever listens to it, right? BS, come on. Most musicians want to quit their day job and they want to do what they love full time. So that basically means you're going to have to get with the program. After all, this is the music business and not the music. You got knocked the fuck out. So make music, pay attention to what people actually gravitate towards and make more of that. You don't have to compromise your artistic integrity to do that. Just pay attention and find a balance between art and commerce. Okay, you guys, my name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn the art into more successful business. Be sure to catch the next videos. Peace.